Hello and welcome to Let's Play Solitaire. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you're new to this, what we do is we play a random game and don't edit it. If you like this sort of thing, which you may, there's a playlist in the channel that's titled Let's Play Solitaire. It's worth checking out whenever you get a chance. There's also a playlist called Solitaire Tips with tips on how to get better playing. So anyway, let's go ahead and start with the game. First thing I like to do is play anything in the column that can work. Not always the case, but it looks like we've got a couple moves here. Queen. And we're faced with a decision. 2 red 9s. I don't know which one's going to be better, but we're going to try each option out. So that's a dead end. Does this lead us anywhere? No. So we have a 2, or we have another jack. A red 2. So we'll see what's in the draw pile. Oh, interesting. The plot thickens. We're going to need to get to this ace of hearts, then we can play this 9 and then move the 2 up to the foundation pile. So that's an option, but we're going to see what else is out there. A red queen, can't touch that. That is interesting. That could be subbed out as a move for this queen. Not sure if I want to go there though. And let's see, there is a jack. We can play this, we'll play it, we'll see where it leads us. Right here, sorry. And another jack. Okay. Let me see what was under this one. Was it, I think it was the other red, or the other black jack, right? Okay. So we can't play that. We can play this 8, I think, yeah. So we'll play that there. So we need a black 7 down to move this 6. That's kind of a top priority if we can. If we have a black 7, I'm not sure if there was one there. There it is, a black 7. Yay! Oh, better yet, look at that. We got a 10. Okay, now we have an open slot. We may put this king there, we may not. A red 7. So maybe, maybe not. Because if we have a black 6, we could get this column going here. We could also move the 7 over with a black 8, I believe. But we're going to leave it there for now. So black 8, black 6. Those are 2 cards. That's a red one, not a black one. Here's another option here. Let's play this and see where that leads us. Open slot. So we're gonna keep that move. I'm not a big fan of moving this 3 diamonds at this moment. This king in the very back of the draw pile is probably not a good move. Oh, did we move a 6 over here? Did we not? We did. Oops. Let me go back. Bad move right here. The reason why is there's a 6 of diamonds in the very front of the draw pile. Makes it a bad move. Really bad move. We want to play this before we play that, because then we can move some stuff around. And oh, there was a black 6, was there not? Right, okay. So let's see if we can figure out... Okay, so king, queen. I think we needed a black 6, did we not? Okay. We wanted a black 6 because then we could play this 5 right here. So we're going to get all of that in the very front of the draw pile. The question is, should we play it all at once? So for sure, we're going to play this. We do want to play these cards, but we want to wait and see if there's more cards we can play in addition to that. The 7 here we can't play. We could play the black 5, but we can't play... We couldn't play the other cards. So we have to play all 3, unfortunately. So we got to play this, and we're going to play the 5 right here. There's the 8 we're looking for. Now remember, we have not done anything with these 2 red 9s yet, so just something to keep in mind here. And I believe, oh, the Queen of Hearts is going to be the first card. So that means we want to have a black king down. Now you could make an argument for playing the red king because then we can move this jack. So that's another argument that can be made here. And again, I haven't, let's see. Although... the other side of the coin is if we played this red queen and we play this 9 here, that leads us to a blackjack that can go right here. So there's two different angles we're looking at here. I'm not sure which is going to be the best one yet. But we're going to learn more as we go on, right? So 5 we can play. So one angle would be to play this. We'll bring down the black queen. And that's going to lead us to getting stuck there. So we still have this option here where we play that. And that gets us stuck as well. So that's not good. We got options where we're getting stuck. So let's go back one more time and see. I think there was a king right there. You could bring... Oh, no, we can bring this 3 down. Maybe we can get unstuck if we go this way. There was a 2, right? A red... A black 2. What's the other color? It was... Which one was it? Was it this one? I think there was a 2 under here, right? I think that's what it was. Or maybe the black 2. I'm trying to remember which one it was under. So we play this. We play the queen there. Oh no, we play this jack. There's the 2. That's the 2 we wanted to move. Okay. We'll see. Okay, we can bring this 9. Let's move this 8 over here and see where... Okay, great. That's really good. Now we can open up the spot. King. I think we play the red queen there, right? Because then we get the jack. Okay. So a lot of stuff going on here, and I'm trying to wrap my head around. I'd like to get the 7 out. So I'm going to keep the queen there and see if there's another way. Was there a 5 of clubs? There's a 5 of clubs behind there. Oh wait, there is a 7, a different 7 right now. I'm trying to see if there's a way to get this out. I'm trying to think in my head in terms of what's there and what's not there. So we're going to play the queen for sure. That's one move. And then do we want to play... We play the 7 next, I believe, right? Okay, so 7 next. We could play the 3 clubs if we needed to. So 7 here. We're going to play a 6. That's the card we want to play. And then we can play... Now we can play the 5. That gets us the red 7 down. So that's what I wanted to do. I was just trying to sort that out in my head and see if that works. So now we're kind of faced with a dilemma. Is this a path or not? Remember, the 2 of hearts is under here. So we're going to pull this card and see what we get. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. That's the best possible card we could hope for because the 2 of hearts is under there. So we got that. Now we can move this 3 over or 2 over here. Oh, ace of diamonds. That's great. And we solve it. Pretty cool. That was a little bit of a challenge here, but we managed to figure it out and sort things out. So pretty cool. Got it done there. And like I've said, if you like this sort of thing, there is a playlist on this channel with games just like today, titled Let's Play Solitaire. Check it out whenever you want. And if you're looking for tips on how to get better, here's a playlist called Solitaire Tips with a bunch of tips. In my opinion, the best 2 videos I have are these 2 right here. They're complete. This one's like 36 minutes long. The other one's, I think, 25, 26 minutes, somewhere in there. How to win at Solitaire. They're both pretty good, so be sure to check those out if you have not already. And that's going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and good luck.